So thumbnails are really important for your YouTube videos, and today in this video I'll show you how you can make your own thumbnails on your Android device in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. So let me be honest with you guys, there are a lot of videos out there regarding how to make thumbnails on your Android, and those videos are not up to the mark, and those videos don't provide you the exact tutorial how to do that. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to make exclusive thumbnails on your Android device using just 2 applications, and the 2 applications are PicsArt and Eraser. So let's get started without any further ado. So let's take the topic as rooting your Android phone. So for that topic you need to have some images on your thumbnail. So for that you need to Google out some of the images regarding rooting your Android phone. So for that I have an application known as SIEMEN. Don't worry, I'll have the links in the description. You can download direct Google pictures easy. Now just go ahead and type root your phone. Then select any of the best images out there. So let me just select this one, since this looks a bit classy. There's a download button, just click on download and your image will be downloaded soon. Now there's an application known as Eraser. So let me just go into that application and just search. Yes. Now you can take out the background of the downloaded image. I'll show it how to do it. Just click on this, and now you can take out this white colored background easily by just tapping on a button. Just click on auto, then just yes, it's gone. Then click on done. You will be ready. I prefer to select 2 so the image will be more sharper. So save it, then finish. Yes. Now the main thing. So next go to PicsArt. Yes. Then follow the tutorials correctly. Click on the plus mark here. Here don't select the edit option, go to the draw option. Start draw. So once you click on the draw button or the draw icon, you get these many options. Now there are various aspect ratios here. Select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, this 1280 into 720, because YouTube only supports 16:9 ratio images as their thumbnails. Now click on proceed. Yes. Now again click on proceed, the arrow mark. Now just click on edit image. Yes. Now the job is so simple as it is. Just click on the add photo option and click on the first one, the downloaded one. Now click on add. Now you can see, you can place this anywhere as of your wish. I prefer to place it here. Just a minute guys. Yes. Now you can add various texts on your thumbnails as root your Android within seconds. Then change the color of your choice. Then change the font of your choice. It's all yours here and you can do anything with it. that's done. This is just a simple thumbnail which I have shown you to do. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and never miss out for any of the updates. Until then, this is SIEMEN signing out. Peace.